Hi everyone, we're here at Cornell University on campus. I just walked out of the Sattler Hotel and you can see right here, this is the hotel administration. Very nice building, by the way, brand new. And as you can see from that building right there, very nice design. So in my opinion, Sattler Hotel reminds me a lot about University of Florida. Very large campus, very spread out. And a lot of history, a lot of history. As you can see right here on the right, you can see the design of it. It's a very old school design and whatnot. So in my opinion, has that kind of, I don't want to say Harry Potter, but has a Harry Potter feeling to it. It's quite nice. This is Duffield Hall. And it is quite cold outside. A little bit windy, which makes it a little bit more chillier. Looks like they're doing construction here on the foundation of that building. And there's always some new construction going on campus. The one thing that really is really nice on campus is the trees. It's very nice trees. It's nice foliage at this time of the season, winter. Now it hasn't reached fully winter yet because you don't see much snow on the ground, but it has that has that chilly, cold feeling and fall feeling, if that makes sense. So let me go and zoom out here. But yeah, absolutely really nice campus, very large campus, and they're always developing and building something new to the older buildings. This is Kimball Hall right here, so they're making an addition to it. This is Cornell Engineering, it looks like. Well, it may not be engineering, but it may be. Maybe it is. Maybe it's Cornell Engineering. And if you guys haven't checked out the other videos on the channel, I have another video for Cornell Tech. And Cornell Tech is it's very nice. It's a very nice tech. It's on Roosevelt Island or whatnot. These are very nice trees, by the way. Look at this. These are, I guess, you would call Christmas trees. So it's nice to have these right here. And has that old feeling to it, old building feeling. And you can see a lot of these buildings, they don't have a central AC to them. They have window ACs. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. And it does get kind of warm during the summertime here. Yeah, there we go. Material science and engineering. So it was an engineering building. Look at these stairs. These are original stairs they would put in for fire code. Now the really nice part here, which I'm going to show you, is going to be the river or stream, you may call it. And unfortunately there's a lot of folks that jump off the stream. They've jumped off that bridge here due to the stresses of schooling and whatnot, and it's very unfortunate, but luckily they've placed a net for those that are going to do it. They even put a sign right here and a camera. Need help, call 911. Okay, and they also have a camera up there on top. You can see right here, that's the net. And that's the river. That's the stream. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Somebody threw a pumpkin right down there. Huh. But very nice. And if you guys don't know, Cornell University is in Ithaca, New York. And you can see the foliage is just absolutely phenomenal. The change of leaves. You just don't get this in many parts of the US, you know, like Florida or California, depending on where you're at. Definitely not in the southern Florida region like Miami. California, certain regions don't get this, right?
So if you didn't
but absolutely phenomenal, very nice. Now this is the second bridge out right there. Let me go and zoom in. That second bridge, they also have a net for folks that may jump off or whatnot. This is right there. You go, Cascadilla Gorge Trail. So this is the trail to walk and whatnot. And now we're kind of going off campus. This is now off campus. Short Center for the Performing Arts. And right here you can see from these brick buildings and the bagels and certain feeling here. I've been to Harvard University and MIT is right next to it. And this area right here gives me that feeling. A lot of places in Harvard have restaurants or whatnot right next door to each other, and the buildings are made of brick. This is nice to having a 7-Eleven over here. DP Dough, looks like a pizza place. Looks like a bento bar restaurant. So today is weekend, Saturday, and let's go ahead and cross the street here. So they're building a studio apartment right here and whatnot. So all right guys, catch you later. Thank you.